Hello everyone, welcome to Evotep. So in the last class, we have learned how to create a database and connect it to our project. And today we will learn how to create a table in our database. So in order to create a table in our database, at first we will see the database. For that, we will open our terminal, and here we will write MySQL space dash u and root and then enter. So we can see the terminal here, and now we will write show show databases. So this is the command that you have to type in, but I have done one more mistake. So databases, and I have to close it with this command. So I can see you have an error in your SQL syntax. So databases at line number 2. So let us again write so databases BASES and enter. So I can see here we have created one database yesterday, and the name of that database is YouTube. All right. So now here I will use that database, use YouTube, enter. So I have changed the database to YouTube. Now what I will do is that I will open this link, and the resource will be given in the description. You can simply click on the link. You can simply go to the description and click on this link. So I will create a table, and let us create a table called users, and then I will add a column. So let us create one ID, and then I will be giving it the type will be integer, and let us give the length as 10, and it will be an auto incremental column. All right. So to create these columns, you should have at least a prior knowledge of SQL. And if you are totally new to programming, then you can definitely get in touch with us. We have a completely paid course on beginners to advanced level of programming. You can just get in touch with us, and we'll be sharing the links to that resources. Now I will again click on add column, and here I will be writing user underscore name, one more column user underscore mobile, and the third will be user underscore email. Let us use one more, which is user underscore password. All right. And here I will be giving it as text, then text, then text, and again it will also be text. So since we are using text, so we don't have to give the length. It is not mandatory. And now I will click on generate SQL. So here I can see the code of the SQL is being displayed here. Now I will copy the code, Control C or Command C, and then you have to go to this terminal and paste the code over here, and then just hit enter. All right, so I have to do one more thing. Let us open the terminal once again, and here I will go to terminal and then new terminal, and then MySQL -u and then root, and then use YouTube, since we have already checked it earlier. So we have changed the database to YouTube, and here we can find the details, and let us click enter. So I can see error 1050, table users already exist. So we have already created this table during the previous time. I pasted this code and hit enter. So now I should be able to create or I should be able to insert data in this table. For that, let us now go to index.php file. I am already in index.php file now, and here I will include one more file, which is include, and the name of the file will be users underscore 8.php. Let me close it, and let me also uncomment this line. Here I will create a new file which will be users underscore 8.php. And as in the last class, we have opened the website academy.evotep.com, and then we went to the blog section. I will also be giving the link to this resource in the description, and then I will go to the third page, and then we have to check the PHP PDO CRUD codes. So let us say PHP PDO CRUD. I have found the link to this article, and the link to this article will also be given in the description. And here let us copy this code of insert statement, and then I will go to my IDE. Let us paste it over here. All right. Okay, and now In case of your column 1, column 2 and column 3, let us now write, so username, let us write username here. In case of column 1, I will be writing username. In case of column 2, I will be writing user mobile. In case of column 3, I will be writing user email. And in case of column 4, I will be writing user password. That's all. Then value 1 will be inserted against username, value 2 against user mobile, value 3 against user email, and we have to create one more value, and that should be for user password. In the same way, here we have to write value 4 as well, and let us write the name of this value. Let us write the name as Pawan. Then we have the user mobile, which is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. And then in case of user email, let us write support@webotapp.com, and we need value 4 as well. For that, let us write value 4 here, and we need the password. Let us write the password as 1 2 3. And then I will save this page, and if the value gets inserted, in that case I will be showing the message record inserted successfully. Now let us open the IDE, the front end of the IDE in the browser. For that, I will click on this button, and then I will go to backend ports, and let us open the code in IDE. So here I can see connection successful, which is being displayed by this file config.php, and then here I can see base table or view not found, which is table YouTube. Your table doesn't exist. So what we have done is that we have created the table, and the name of the table was users. Unfortunately, we have not changed it in this code. So let me save this code now and reload the page. I can see invalid date time format, in incorrect date value Pawan for column YouTube users username. So let us again check. So what I did is that when I created this file, so I choose text, but unfortunately for some reason it gave me wrong codes. So just a minute, let me create it. For that, I will go to this file, and here let me search that. For text, it should be text. That's all. And let me reload this page once again. And here will be the first will be the ID. Length will be 11. It should be auto increment. Then customer name, and it should be text. Then customer email, it should also be text. Then mobile, it should also be text. All right, and then password, it should also be text. And now I will be generating the SQL. Let us copy the code, and I will go to my IDE and open the terminal. After opening the terminal, I will write the code MySQL-u root, and then enter, and I will write use YouTube as our database, and then I will paste the code and hit enter. I can see query is okay. If I again paste this code, it will say me that the table called customers already exist. Now I will copy the name of the table, paste it over here. Then I will copy the name of the first column and paste it over here. I will copy the name of the second column, paste it over here, name of the third column, paste it over here, and name of the fourth column and paste it over here. So now as we have placed email ID in the second column, so I will copy the value of this email ID from the third column to second column, and let us cut the mobile number and paste it over here. And now if I reload the page, I can see connection successful and record inserted successfully. I am successfully able to see the records. And I will go to index.php file, and in config.php file, I don't need the successful message for the configure file, as we already knew that the configure file has been successfully connected. Now if I again reload the page, I can see record inserted successfully. Now if we have to check whether the records got inserted. Now if we have to check whether the records have successfully inserted or not, we can also see it in the terminal. Later I will be building one separate page to view the records here, but let us at first, in this tutorial we will be, so now let us learn how to check the records in the terminal. For that, I will again go to the php CRUD function, And let us check where we have written the select statement. Here we can see select from users. Let us copy this line, select star from users, and paste it over here. In case of users, I'll be writing customers, because we want to check whether the records got inserted in the table called customers or not. And when I hit enter, I can see there are four values which got inserted over here. Now let us again change the values to from Pawan to Ricky, and then ricky@weebweb.com, and then mobile number something like 888 and password 234, and let me save it. And if I reload the page and copy select star from customers and hit enter, now I can see Ricky and Ricky has been inserted twice in this statement. So there might be some issues because all the records are getting inserted twice. So that we will be checking in the next lecture. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel as it takes a lot of effort to create videos like this. Bye bye.